Yes, good evening, everyone. So, welcome for our third demonstration. Whatever we discussed yesterday, we were trying to perform that and we were able to do it here. Okay. So, now today we are going to do this another assignment here, hiring manager first, then hiring employee, and then how the employee will apply for leaves and how the manager is going to approve the leaves. This is what we are going to discuss. Okay. So let me start working on this. Let's log into the applications here. So let me hire a manager first. Let's go to new person. Let's say manager joined in the organization on 1st January 2025. So he's working for US1 legal entity. Person number can enter any unique number here. And first name, last name, we are going to enter here. Looks like this social security number is already exist. Let me change this number here. Let's see how it will work. This one also is exit. Is it? Oh, Ravikant, maybe this person is already exist. Yeah. We'll go for the different name here. And if you want to make this employee as manager, so we have to set up this working as manager as yes, so that this employee will become as manager. This employee will become as manager. Okay. So here we can find whether he is a manager or not. These all are optional fields, not mandatory. General fields we are going to capture here. And let me complete this process, manager hiring process. Manager process is done successfully. Let me hire employee now. Let's say employee joined today. Going to update that. He is reporting to so manager. Where is the manager name here? Go down, scroll down. Here we'll update who is the manager. Yeah. Here we can go for update the manager details. Is the line manager. We can also update or we can add multiple managers, project manager, regional manager. Line manager is the main person who will take complete approval process here. Approval process over here it is. And scroll down here I can find if you want to add the payroll for employee, we need to mention means monthly payroll or weekly payroll. In some countries, every week we have to pay salary to the employee. In some countries, bi-weekly means every 2 weeks. In India, max 1 month, monthly, right? Monthly we are going to do. Now it's done successfully for both the employees. Once we search, hiring process is done, we can search employee details from person management. Go to person management. It is a search page where we can find the employee details here. Navneet Kumar is already there. And another one is Navneet Kumar research. We can find who is the manager for Navneet. Manikanta Babu is the manager. This is employee number, and we can see that by default user account. Here we do options module setups for the employee, leave management, payroll setups, compensation, and all right here. So here I can find user account. And I can see that Kumar.Navaneet is the user account is active. So employee, if he want to log into the applications, he will use this username, right? Okay. Then another employee we have to search. Sorry, person number, right? This is person number. I can see that. Let me reset the password for both employee as well as for the manager. Go to tools menu. Any user account, roles and other things, we'll do it from here. We'll go to tools menu, security console. Go to security console. Yeah. In security console, what we do is we do user management, then we do role management. Go to users tab here and search for the user. This is Kumar.Navaneet. I'm going to reset the password for this user. First, Navneet is going to log into the applications. He is employee. Navneet is one of the employee, and he's going to apply for a leave. Generally, when employees wants to apply for the leaves, they'll go to me, and there is options here, time and absences. This is for leave apply. This is for cross-checking the pay slips and all here. So what is our job is configuration of the plans. What are the plans are applicable for this employee, and whatever the payrolls are applicable for this employee, that we are going to do it. Let's go to time and absences here. And here employee can go for apply for a leave. He can go for add the absence. Now I can see that these are different journeys. This is a journey concept introduced by Oracle. So journeys are basically to provide information. For example, when employee joined in the organization and he doesn't have the idea what are the leave policies are there, what are the terms and conditions, this all. So instead of explaining to them, we can provide some sequence of steps, guided journeys, so that the employees can go through this guided journeys and they can start applying for the leaves and all. Here it is. Okay. Without journey also, if employee says I'm already know about all the things, I'll go without journey. Go for continue without journey. Yeah. Now employee can choose whatever the options types employee is eligible. This we have to configure. Right now employee is able to see, right, has leaves and long-term disability, parent leave, and compensatory leave, authorized leave. Like this, we have different sick leave, vacation, training, like this different, right? So these are the different types of leaves we have to configure. As a functional consultant, we have to discuss with the client. This is testing data given by Oracle, right? So we have to discuss with the client in your company, what are all the different types of leave plans you have, and those leave plans are eligible for which employees, and what is the leave terms and conditions, eligibility profile, these all details we are going to mention. So I'm putting that vacation. So employee is going to apply for vacation leave. These all are Redwood pages. All this comes under the Redwood pages. So this Redwood pages, we have to, understand. We have to go for understand customizations and all. We have to perform it here because your vacation plan balance will fall below the minimum limit. Was it? Why it is minimum limit 16 hours? Okay, let's apply it. Okay, vacation plan, right? Let me cross check how many leaves are there for the employee. So I'm just trying to find out how many leaves are there for employee. So let me log in as an implementation user. Nothing but admin. So let's say employee raised one ticket saying that I'm not able to apply for a leaves. What could be the reason? So we have to rectify what is the problem. So first we have to search employee details from person management. Go to task list. I'm just trying to find out what are all the leaves are assigned for this employee. So when I go to absences, I can find absence records. So which plan we are talking? Vacation. Here is vacation plan. So vacation plan is assigned but not executed. Let me execute this. This all we have to do. We have to do all these setups. Create absence plans, enrollment, execution, eligibility profile. This is what actually our implementation process. Number of leaves depends on the employee age, length of service or job or position we can perform all these operations. Okay. Now I'm trying to run this. Now it's showing that as per the plan process, employee is eligible for 8 hours. It looks like this has been defined in number of hours, not the number of days. Okay. Now let me log in and apply for a leave. Let's continue without journey. Directly employee is applying for leave. Choose the plan, vacation plan here. Same day, 8:30 to 10:30. That's what employee is applying for leave. So still it is showing 0 hours. Actually, 8 hours is there. Maybe it takes some time to get this. Let's go for sick leave. Yeah, 14 hours sick leave. Let's try this. Employee is applying for leave, 2 days sick leave. Yeah. So now once employee apply for a leave, now we want to know whether it's approved or waiting for approval. When we want to know the status, we want to know the status of this particular leave. So how the employee will come to know the status here? He'll go to me and then he'll go to time and absences, and employee can verify the existing absences here. Now we can see that sick leave. Employee is applied for 2 hours. It's waiting for approval. Now let me log in as manager, because manager is to go for either approve or reject here. Go to show all. Workflow will be sending the notifications to the managers regarding the approvals. It's one of the important process when we are working in the approval enhancement. Who has to approve? There are different types of approvals. For example, client says that employee hiring, I need approvals. Employee terminations, I required approval. Employee transfers, I need approvals. Okay. Sometimes leave approvals. Sometimes they want auto approval. Sometimes they wanted to have the manager approval. Different types of managers like project manager, or they need approval from multiple managers like that. Okay. So this is all comes under the security. Whenever we are working in the module wise, we will find the security options. So we'll be talking about in depth of the security options. Yeah, still we have not received the workflow notification. It may take couple of minutes time. Yeah. So this is manager self-service. As a manager, I can log in and I can see my team. This is my self-service, ASS. We call it as employee self-service. And this is my manager, my team. It's MSS, manager self-service, manager self-service. I can find out who are reporting to me as a manager. I can I can go for update the details here. For example, if I want to set some team, I can set the goals to my team who are reporting to me here. Only one person is reporting to me, Mr. Navneet Kumar. Yeah. So that's how we can find the reporting. Let me see the workflow notification has came or not. We can also troubleshoot. For example, employee applied for leave approval and it is showing that waiting for approval, but manager not received the notification. Then how we can do? Where exactly we'll search and where exactly we can go for troubleshoot here? We can find that in the transaction console. Let me show you. Let me log in as an admin user in case if approvals are pending. If I want to know where it's got pending, then we can find out like this. Go to tools menu. There is an option called transaction console. Go to transaction console here. Remove the failed transactions here. Navneet Kumar, it looks like it's got approval automatically. It looks like there is no approval process required. It's auto approval. I thought of management approval is there, but it looks like it's auto approval. So auto approval means employee can take a leave. The status also, it will not be waiting for approval. It will be scheduled. It will be scheduled. Let me check. Now, employee wants to know the leave is approved or not. He will go to me, employee self-service, and go to time and absences here. Existing absences. You can see that scheduled. So I thought of its management approval. We'll see that management approval in our training, how to configure management approvals. What are the different types of approvers we have, how to configure, those all we will discuss. Yeah. is clear now? Any doubts here in this process? So this is one type of assignment we can say here. So maybe some people get little bit confusion because we did in a faster way. Generally takes at least 2-3 days time to understand. But I just wanted to show before you join in the course what exactly we will do. So we do the setups, we'll do the configuration, and then we do the testing. That's what we are going to do that. Yeah. Any doubts here? Anybody wants to speak? You can go ahead now. Yeah. I think I kept you on mute. Now you can unmute. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You can unmute now and speak.
Hello, Chandra.
Yeah, go ahead.
So now it is a single line manager this employee is having. So what
Yes.
about if there are multiple managers? How is the leave accrual process configured?
In workflow, we have to choose whether you need only the approval from one manager or
Okay.
again you need two levels of manager, means managers manager or group of managers means approval group. This all we are going to use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And also if we have to as a implementation user if uh, like we have to configure multiple employees, like there are more than 50 employees or 100 employees, is there something like a auto generation or
No,
something?
auto generation we don't have. For example, we are implementing this HCM for our client. If client says that I have 10,000 employees, already I'm using one software, so I'll give you Excel sheet. You can go for load the data. Then we need to develop the HDL file. So that HDL file will be used for loading the data into the Oracle Cloud.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the configurations would be different, like for different employees or something like that, or how is it generally?
Configuration means?
I mean, if you say this absence thing, for all the employees, it may not be applicable, or like all types of absences given, or according the accruals being configured.
Yes, yes, the different values we will be having. So whatever the values we are going to pass in a HDL file, it will update in the base tables. One employee may
Okay.
got 10 days leaves, another employee may got 20 days leaves, like that, right?
Yeah,
So
got it.
different
Got it.
values will be uploaded. Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Tell me.
So my question is, there is a required any coding in functional SQL?
No, functional doesn't require any coding. For only people who are applying for a job technical, yes, they have to learn SQL.
Okay, so there is no need for this coding.
Yes, yes, not required.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, can you please tell me about the placement and all for the Noida location?
I'll come up with that last 10 minutes. Now we are talking about the doubts, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Fine, guys. That's about the demo sessions here. And we already talked about the complete process of the modules wise, right? These all are modules wise. So now we are going for the training process here. So the training, it takes 2 months time, maybe 10 days more, but minimum 2 months required, maybe another 10 days it will be extended due to some holidays or any other reason, generally Monday to Friday. So that's the uh, duration, Monday to Friday, and the timings will be as usual 7 to 8:15. 7 to 8:15, 1 hour 15 minutes we are going to have. Okay. And Saturday we are going to have the mock interviews. Saturday morning times. We will conduct mock interview. You can attend mock interview and you can test yourself how much you have prepared. Okay. So that will be happening here. So we will have separate. Sometimes I'll take the mock interview. Sometimes some other senior people will take. But classes and everything I'll be taking. Only mock interviews point of view. Another people will join in that. Okay, that's on Saturdays, but not mandatory session. If somebody says that no, I can't attend on Saturday, you will receive the, you will be receiving that drive, Google Drive, that you can go for download the video. So that's about the training timing, and we will be providing you the complete access for downloading the videos, server access, and everything that we are going to provide here. Okay. So this will be 2 months, Monday to Friday, that we are going to have it. So that we will start from tomorrow. So that's a general training. Here it is. Okay. So in that training, you are going to get all these modules live: global HR, payroll, options, talent. And then we'll be also working on the technical point of view. One example for every topic, like how we will work with technically BI reports or analysis or data analysis. These options will be working here. Okay. And then we will be having the complete access to all these Udemy courses. First, I'll give the access to FAQ courses, Global HR. As soon as first module is completed, I'll give the access. Second module, payroll is done, I'll give the payroll access. Options is done, I'll give the access. Talent is done. This. In our training itself, you will get the complete resume preparation, interview preparation, clients, what are the client names you have to put it in your resume, and roles and responsibilities, of course, that we do practically. Whatever the roles and responsibilities we are doing, that it will be explained in the training itself. What are the documents we are going to prepare during the project? Whatever the components we are going to do, all this will be explained in the training point of view. The general training itself will be providing complete resume preparation. FAQs I'm already providing, right? Here courses. So in the courses itself, you will find already the FAQs here. Okay. So it's clear, everybody. And this training charge we will be doing 20K, 20,000, that we are going to do it. So it will be the general training. When it comes for the placement point of view, it will be the placement charge. Like if somebody says that I wanted to have a special interaction every day and we will come to office directly offline in Hyderabad. Okay. And we online also, some in case if somebody says that online, but we prefer always offline. That. So we will be charging, this is 2.5 lakhs. That is the placement charge we are going to do. Initially, you have to deposit 1 lakh amount. Deposit 1 lakh amount here. So that will start the training as well as the real time, and will make you available for face-to-face interviews. And you will be able to clear yourself. You don't need every support. Daily 1 hour class is there, right, in the evening, and 6 hours you will be under the control of us. 6 hours daily. Our trainers are going to discuss with you and make sure that you completed the assignments, and everything will be taken care of, market review and all. So between the 4 to 6 months, we are going to place you. That is 100%. If I don't place you, I'm going to give this 1 lakh amount return. If I'm not going to place you, this 1 lakh amount, whatever you have given the deposit, that you are going to return, that you are going to return. You are going to get it back. That. Except our training fees, 20,000. So whatever the training fees is there, that will be deducted. The remaining amount means 80K. 80K you are going to return. You are going to get the return. Once you get placement, for example, yes, you got placed. minimum 12 lakhs to 16 lakhs package will be there. You got placed, you have to pay another 1.5 lakhs. Already we committed for 2.5 lakhs, right? You already paid 1 lakh, the remaining 1.5 you have to pay. Okay. So during this placement process, if you go for options, then we will deduct 500 rupees fine. Monday to Friday is office timings. So if you are absent, 500 rupees fine. If you are not done the assignment, then 500 rupees will be fine. Daily there will be assignment. You must do it. We will guide you, we'll give you the scenarios, we'll train you, and all these things you have to do. And at the same time, you have to explain this assignment in English. Otherwise, we will go for deduct 500 rupees fine. So these are the terms and conditions we are going to have for the placement. So any doubts here, please?
Chandra, is assignment only for offline students or for online as well?
People who joined in the placement, people who joined 1 lakh amount, that will be there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, online students did not, you're not giving any assignments on daily basis.
Placement people, if it is online or offline, that will be there. This whatever the process I explained, this is for the placement process.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Apart
So
from this,
many people got the training general, they got prepared, they got placed themselves. There is nothing hiding the subject from the general batch and placement. The only thing is in the placement batch, we will sit beside you and we'll put more pressure that you should do it. You should explain. You should prepare a video. You should prepare a document. You should read this 10 pages. Here I'll tell them there is a 10 pages of document. You have to read this, but I'll not put pressure because it's not my responsibility to place you. So here it is our responsibility that we are going to do it. Yeah.
so this apart from 2 months course, again 4 to 6 months for placement, sir.
No, including that. So people who join for the placement, they'll come up daily 6 hours. For example, tomorrow class is there. Monday onwards, evening 7 to 8:15 class will be there, and morning 9 to 6 in between 6 hours class will be there. In the 6 hours class, there will be a mock interviews, there will be English development, there will be a document preparation, there will be interview preparations, there will be a you will be preparing separate videos, whatever you have done, daily assignments, this all will be there. For example, we given 5 assignments, you have to complete that assignments and you have to prepare a video like this, different examples, so that we don't need to worry about when we go for face-to-face interview also. Yeah.
Sir, what about the Noida location and Delhi locations?
That you please discuss with admin. I am not at this point of time. This is for Hyderabad location. So many people are first they take training on this. See, there is optional. You can take training, and in this training, I am giving complete support. Subject, resume preparation, interview preparation, FAQs, documents, clients, doubts, WhatsApp group will be there. If you have any doubts during the preparation, during the resume preparation, when you are applying for a job, always you can put your doubt in the WhatsApp group. I'll give the reply. Okay, fine, guys. Any doubts are there, you can communicate with our admin. I think everybody is having the admin number, so you can contact with them regarding this. This is our number. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your time you have spent with us last 3 days. And let's see you tomorrow, 7 p.m. IST, with a different meeting ID. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Chandra.